produces 5 beats per second. If A is loaded with wax, then beats frequency increases. Then find the frequency of B. Now, if the two tuning fork A and B, they sounded together, and frequency of A I have given 200 Hertz. When they sounded together, they are producing the 5 beats per second. If A is loaded with wax, then beat frequency increases. Then we have to find the frequency of B. One thing some students have that get confused when I say, when we are loading the tuning fork, frequency of the tuning fork decreasing, okay? When we are filing, frequency of tuning fork increasing. That is not applicable for the beat. That is for the particular tuning fork. The people are relating with the beat, sir. Here you are saying A is loaded, but you are saying beat frequency increases. I am not saying beat frequency depends on the two frequencies. For particular tuning fork which is loaded, its frequency will decrease. Which is filed, its frequency will increase. But beat we cannot say without knowing the other. Okay, so that don't relate with the beat. That is applicable for the given tuning fork. Okay, so in this type of problem, what we will do? First, we will find the possible frequency of the unknown. Possible frequency of unknown. We know that beat frequency is the difference of frequency. Beat frequency is difference of frequency. So A frequency I gave 200. And difference of the frequency of A and B is what? 5. So possible value of frequency of B is the either 205, because 205 and 200, what is the difference? 5. Or frequency of B is the 195. So maybe it can 5 more or it can 5 less. Okay. So first we will write what? Possible frequency of unknown. Always in the beats problem, first we will do this. So possible frequency of B, what we will write? 200 plus minus 5. Either it can be 5 more or it can be 5 less. So that is a 205 or 195. So other answer is not possible. Either the answer will be 205 or 195. So other option directly we can eliminate. Okay. Now I have to check the two option. Now two possible answer are there. They will give some extra condition to verify the final answer. Okay, like here, what they have given, when A is loaded, then beat frequency is increasing. Then we have to find the frequency of B. So by the given condition, we can find the unique answer. Okay. When they are loading any tuning fork, so change the frequency. Any vibrating object, when they are changing something, change the frequency of the object, but change by small amount. We want to just check the answer, like among between the 205 and 195, what is the answer? So what we will do, we will change the frequency of A, because A is loaded. Earlier frequency of A is the 200. Now A is loaded, so we know that on loading frequency of tuning fork will decrease, but we will not decrease more, like 200 degrees, so frequency of A becomes 0. Okay, so we will change a small amount to check the answer. 205 is possible or 195 is possible. So like 0.5 you can increase or decrease, okay, according to the given problem. Like here, A is loaded with wax, so frequency of A will decrease. Frequency of A will decrease. So initially it has given 200. So I am taking, suppose after decrease it become 199. After decrease it become 199. So okay, that because loading and filing does not have any particular values, means this much of load, then you will frequency will decrease that much, this much of file, so frequency will increase that much. There is no any particular loading and filing value. Okay, so that's why it will change. It will change means we know that loading will decrease, so that's why I am saying frequency of A will decrease it. For our understanding, suppose frequency of A, new frequency of A, I am taking 199. New frequency of A, I am taking 199. Now I will check the given condition. When A loaded, beat frequency increases. Beat frequency increases. I have two possible answer of beat, 205 and 195. 205, when sounded with 199. So what is the difference now? 205 and 199. What is the difference now? First slide. It becomes 6. Now earlier beat was 5, beat frequency was 5. Now if I am taking the frequency of B is 205. So 205 and 199 difference is 6. Beat frequency increases. So one answer, one option we will verify, one option we will reject. By this way we can find our answer in the two way. One we will accept, one we will reject. Okay. So 205 and 199 difference is 6. So beat frequency increases. So 205 can be the answer. 205 can be the answer because it is satisfying our condition. Okay. Then I will reject. We will reject the 195. 195 and 190. Suppose the frequency of B is 195. So 195 and 199 when sounded together, how many beats? 4. But in the problem, what they are saying? Beat frequency increases. But here 195 and 199 it is decreases. So 195 cannot be the answer. So one answer we verify, one answer we reject. So by this way we can check our answer two ways. Okay. So what is the frequency of B? Frequency of B is the 205. Everybody got? Okay. So one more we will do. You will say the answer. Okay. Directly I am writing frequency of A is the 100 Hertz. And when sounded with B 5 beats per second produces. If B is filed, then beats frequency increases. Then find frequency of B before filing. Okay, so here frequency of A I gave 100 Hertz. When sounded with B, 5 beats per second produces. If B is filed, then beat frequency increases. Then we have to find the frequency of B before filing. 105, 95. Two option I got. So first step is what? First we will find the possible frequency of unknown. So here unknown is what? B. Possible frequency of B, what we will write? 100 plus minus 5. Then we can say what? 105 or 95 Hertz. So these are the two possible answer of the B. Okay. Now when we are filing the B, when we will file the B, frequency of B will increase. Okay. So if I am taking the 105, A I am not changing here, A I am not changing. So suppose I am taking the frequency of B is the 105, frequency of B is the 105. On filing it will become suppose 106. So 106 and 100. When you sounded, how many beats you got? Suppose the frequency of B is the 105 and on filing frequency of B will increase. Suppose it become 106. Okay. 106 when you will sound with 100, how many beats? 6 beats. So it increase or decrease? Increase. And in the problem what they are saying? Increase. It means what may be the answer? 105. Are everybody getting or not? You are filing B, so when you will file B, frequency of B will increase. Now I have to check both options. 105, suppose the possible frequency of B. Then on filing it will become suppose 106. 106 and 100 when sounded, how many beats? 6 beats. So beats frequency increases. That is justifying our answer. 95 we will reject. How? Suppose the frequency of B is 95. On filing B, it become 96. 96 and A frequency same 100. 96 and 100, what is the difference? 4. Then beat frequency decreases. But in the problem, they are saying, yeah, before filing I am asking, but I am checking the answer. What is the before filing? What is the answer? Shekhara, I am not saying frequency is the 96 and 106 because we cannot find till they have not given the beats after the filing. So first I am checking before filing what is the answer. Okay. So suppose the frequency of B before filing, that data 105 and 95 I have written for the before filing. Na? So 105 is the frequency of B. So when you will file, it become 106. 106 and 100 sounded together. Shruti, before filing means after filing frequency is beat frequency increases. So what was the frequency of B before filing? I am asking. Okay. So 105 become 106, suppose you file. So 106 and 100, difference is 6, beat frequency increases. Beat frequency increases. It is justifying our answer. It means before filing, what is the frequency of B? Before filing, what is the frequency of B? 105. Reason is what? If the before filing I am taking, this is the what? Before filing, na? Suppose before filing I am taking 95. 95 it increase, it become 96. 96 and 100 sounded together. How many beats? 4 beats. So it decreased. So 95 cannot be the answer. So before filing, everybody got or not? Any doubt? Tell fast. Now listen one more thing. That type of question never came and they will never give also. But suppose somewhere you are getting this type of question, like either they will give they will give in this type of problem, if they are giving 105, 95, other option like 100 and some different options are there, then we will go to the 105 because 105 is the right answer for this. Okay. Reason is what? Filing and loading, we take the changes small. We take the change in the frequency small due to the filing and loading. But suppose some option, some question, they have given the option 105 in a same problem. They have given the option 105, 95. Third option, suppose they have given both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. So when this type of option is there, both 1 and 2, then we have to go to the both 1 and 2 possible frequency. What I am saying, if 105, 95 and other 2 different options are there, then right answer is the 105 because we take the small change in the frequency due to the filing or loading. But if both option is there, like 105, 95 and third option is the both 1 and 2, then what we can do, suppose here, frequency of B I am taking 105, okay, on filing it become 106, okay, then when you sound with 106 with 100, beat frequency increases, okay, so that is just justifying our answer, 105 can be the answer. How it can be the 195 also? When this we will check only when they have given the both option. Otherwise, this will never happen in NEET also. They have never asked. But in some question when you will get, then you have to think. 95. Suppose I am taking frequency of B is 95. We are filing, and filing. Suppose I made it to 100, and still we are filing, and we made it 105. So 95, when I'm filing, its frequency is increasing. When I file more, then suppose 95 reaches up to the 105, 106. Then what will happen? 106 and again 100 sounded together, 6 beats will produce. So possibility is there. But what I'm saying, they will never ask and they have never asked also. Getting my point or not? So this option we will only think when they have given the both 1 and 2 option, means 105 or 95 both option possibility. Otherwise always they will give the answer as a 105. Are you getting or not? Okay. Okay. Here they are saying two sitar wire A and B produce note dha. This example has, this is a solved example of the NCERT. In the solved example they have given dha, in the exercise they have given ga. What is the dha and ga? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So when you see this, don't get confused what they have given. So two sitar wire, suppose both wire you produces the dha, okay? But they are producing the dha, but they have the difference of the frequency. That's why they are producing the beats. Per second is what? Beat frequency is the 7. Then they are saying on increasing the tension in the A, beat frequency become 5, means it decreases. It decreases. Then they are asking what is the frequency of B. If initial frequency of the A means initial frequency means before increasing tension, the initial frequency of A is the 200. So like tuning fork when they are taking, so tuning fork frequency we can change by loading or filing. Wire they are saying, then wire or string frequency 1 by 2L under root T by mu. So we can change the frequency of wire or string by changing the tension, by changing the length. Organ pipe they are saying, so organ pipe frequency we can change by changing the velocity of sound or by changing the length. Okay. So these three different things they can sound together. Okay. So here they are saying that they are sounded together. Initial frequency of A is the 200. And how many beats they have given initially? 7. So possible frequency of B is what? Either 207 or 193. Same way, first we have to find the possible frequency of the unknown. Okay. So FB I can say, FB possibility is what? 200 plus minus 7, or we can say 207 or 193 hertz before increasing tension. Okay, now again the same thing. What they are saying, I have the two options, 207 and 193. Now they have given extra condition on increasing tension in A, beat frequency become 5. So when we increase the tension in the wire, its frequency increases. So we increase the basically frequency of A. We increase the frequency of A. Suppose the A become 201 or 202. Here they have directly given 7 and 5. So that's why I am increasing the amount 2. So frequency of A become 202. Frequency of A become 202. Because tension I am increasing, so frequency of A will increase. Frequency of A become 202. If I am taking the frequency of B is 207. And on increasing tension, A become 202. A become 202. Then 202 and 207. If they sounded together, how many beats? If suppose on increasing the tension, I am increasing the tension in the A. So when I increase the tension in the A frequency I gave. So A frequency what I gave? 200. I increase the tension, its frequency increases. Suppose it become 202. 202 and suppose frequency of B is 207. Then 207 and 202. What is the difference? 5. So that is justifying our answer because they are saying the beat frequency become 5. Okay. Suppose I am taking so this can be the answer. If I am taking the frequency of B is 193, A become 202, A become 202, B is 193. 193 and 202, what is the difference? 9. But they are saying the beat frequency decreases, it becomes 5. So 193 cannot be the answer. So what is the frequency of B? Frequency of B is equal to 207. Everybody got or not? Okay. So frequency of B is what? 207. What I am saying, first from the first data, A frequency they given 200. So first we will write the possible frequency of unknown. Possible frequency of unknown is what? Either 200 plus 7 or 200 minus 7. Then 207 or 193 is the possible frequency of B. Two option is possible, 207 and 193. Okay. Now to find the unique answer, they have given extra condition. On increasing the tension in the A, beat frequency become 5. So basically on increasing the tension in the A, beat frequency decreases, because earlier it was 7, now it is 5. Now I have to check each option. Suppose the frequency of they are increasing the tension in the A. So we know that frequency in the wire is directly proportional to root T. Frequency of the wire is directly proportional to root T. So tension in the A increase, so its frequency will increase. It become 201, 202, you can think anything. Suppose it become 202. Why I am taking 202? Because they have given the beat frequency 5. So on increasing tension, suppose frequency of A become 202. Okay. When it become 202 and frequency of B, first I am checking 207. 207 and A become 202. What is the difference? 5. That is a possible, because they have given the beat frequency become 5. So 207 is a possible answer of the B. So I check that 207 is possible. How 193 is not possible? A frequency, new frequency of A become 202. It become 202, it is 193. 193 and 202 when sounded together, how many beats? 9 beats. But they are saying what? Beat frequency decreases. Beat frequency become 5 means beat frequency decreases. But if I am taking the frequency of B is 193, then beat frequency become 9. So that is not possible. That's why what is the answer of the frequency of B? 207. Okay. Completed. If you are taking more than 202, then what will happen? Then 207 will also not justify, because according to the given data 5 beats, then we have to take what? 202. Otherwise you can take 201. You will check 201 and 207. Beat frequency decreases. So that's why 206 can be 207 can be the answer. So here becomes 5, that's why we are taking 202. Otherwise, increase, decrease only you can check. Like 5 they have given, 5 means what? It decreases. Decreases, then accordingly what we have done previously. Like they have given the number 5. So don't take 5 means decreases. So directly take the condition decreases. So take the frequency of A after increasing the tension become 201. 201 and 207, difference is 6, beat frequency decreases. Okay, that from that you can say the answer is 207. If tuning fork and wire sounded together produces 10 beats per second when tension is 129.6 Newton. In the wire, when the tension is 129.6 Newton, so tuning fork and the wire, they are producing 10 beats. Now we increase the tension and tension up to the 160 Newton, then they resonate. Resonate means their frequencies are equal. Okay, then we have to find the frequency of tuning fork. Okay, so here they have not given the frequency of fork and they have not given the frequency of wire. Frequency of fork they are asking. So suppose I assume the frequency of tuning fork is F. Okay. Now we will write the possible frequency of wire. Possible frequency of wire. So fork and wire, they are giving 10 beats per second. 10 beats per second. So possible frequency of wire, what we can say, either F plus 10 or F minus 10. These are the two possible frequency of the wire because they are producing how many beats? 10 beats per second. When the tension is 129.6 Newton. Okay, so when tension is 129.6 Newton, then they are producing 10 beats. So possible frequency of wire is either F plus 10 or F minus 10. Now they are saying tension in the wire become 160 Newton. 160 Newton means tension has increased. When tension increase, then they are saying that they are resonating. Resonating means frequency of wire and frequency of tuning fork become equal. Resonance means their frequencies are equal. So then frequency of wire become F. Why? Tuning fork frequency is F. So they are resonating. It means frequency of wire also become F. Up to this okay? Now, if I have the two possible answer of the frequency of wire before increasing the tension, F plus 10 or F minus 10. After increasing the tension, it becomes F. So we know that frequency of tuning fork, frequency of wire is directly proportional to under root T. So when tension increases, its frequency increases. Okay. If I am taking the initial frequency of wire is F plus 10. So when you will increase the tension, it will more than F plus 10. It will be more than F plus 12, F plus 15. It can never be F. It can, from the F plus 10, if you increase, it will never be F because F plus 10 to F, it is a decreasing. But we have to increase the frequency because tension I increase. So initial frequency cannot be F plus 10 because if it is F plus 10, then on increasing the tension, it will be more. It cannot be F. If it is a F minus 10, on increasing the tension, frequency will increase and it can be F. It can be F. So what is the frequency of the wire initially? F minus 10. Okay. Then for the wire we got F minus 10 upon F. Initial frequency upon final frequency of wire, that is equal to what? Under root of T1 by T2. Okay. Now F minus 10 by F, that is equal to what? Under root of 129.6 upon 160. Decimal remove 0. Now 1296 is the square of 36. 1600 square 40. So this you got 9 by 10. After cross multiplying, so 10F minus 100, that is equal to 9F. So F what we got? 100 Hertz. So frequency of tuning fork is 100 Hertz. Okay. Completed. Why there is a silence? completed or not? Okay. Sometime, okay, I will discuss that question also. Wait. So if tuning fork and wire sounded together produces 10 beats, if tuning fork and wire sounded together produces 10 beats per second, frequency of tuning fork they have given 200. If second harmonic of wire, initially they have not mentioned the harmonic, so we will take the fundamental. Second harmonic of wire produces 5 beats with frequency 425, then we have to find the fundamental frequency of wire. Okay, again the same, they have given one frequency 200 and they are asking for the wire. So first we will write the basic possible frequency of wire, that will be what, 200 plus minus 10, so either 210 or 190. These are the two possible frequency of the wire. Okay, now up to this, okay. Now they are saying second harmonic of wire. Second harmonic of wire means that is equal to 2 into f of wire. Second harmonic is what? 2 times of frequency, fundamental frequency of wire. So 2 times of frequency of wire, what I can say, either 420 or 380 hertz. So second harmonic can be either 420 or 380 if the wire frequency is either 210 or 190. So second harmonic means 210 double is what, 420, or it will be 380. Okay, now they are saying when the second harmonic sounded with 425, then they are producing the 5 beats. So other frequency is what here now, 425 hertz. So if that second harmonic is 380 and it is 425, so how many beats will produce per second? 25 beats. But what they are saying, 5 beats produce. 5 beats produce means second harmonic is 420. Second harmonic is 420, so harmonic first harmonic or fundamental is what? 210. So what is the frequency of the wire? Frequency of the wire we can say what? 210 hertz. Completed. Okay, a little fast. Okay. Now So if fundamental frequency of open organ pipe I gave 40 hertz, okay, then find beats per second when second overtone of the closed pipe sounded with the second overtone of the open pipe, and the length of both pipe they have given equal. Okay. Now here, first thing they have given the fundamental frequency of open pipe. So fundamental frequency of open pipe, what I can say? That is a 40 hertz. This is a V by 12, and V by 12 what they have given? 40 hertz. Okay. Now they are saying the second overtone of the closed pipe. Second overtone of closed pipe means fifth harmonic. They are asking the beat frequency between second overtone of closed and second overtone of open. So second overtone of closed means fifth harmonic, okay, and second overtone of open means third harmonic, okay. So then beat frequency is what? Difference of the frequency. So fifth, second overtone of closed minus second overtone of open. Okay, that they are asking beat frequency. Now second overtone of closed means fifth harmonic. So 5 V by 4L. Fundamental of the open closed is what? V by 4L. Minus third overtone of open 3 V by 2L. Okay. So we have to do the reverse of that. Basically mod we can say, because we don't know which one is more. So third overtone of open will be more. That is a 3 by 2 V by 2L. Third overtone of open minus second overtone of close is what? 5 V by 4L. Okay. Now 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4, what I will get? 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is what? 1.25. And 3 by 2 is what? 1.5. So what we will get? V by 4L. 4L LCM, then you got 6V minus 5V, then you got the V by 4L. Up to this everybody got. I reverse that because second overtone will be more. So second overtone will be more. That's why 3V by 2L, second overtone of open is more. That's why I'm writing the 3V by 2L minus 5V by 4L. Now V by 4L I got. V by 2L they have given 40. So V by 4L what you will get? 20 hertz. So what is the beat? How many beats? 20 hertz. Completed. Tell fast. I will discuss separately, okay? Okay then. Now orally then you can say, suppose I am saying two organ pipe, open and closed organ pipe of equal length. Two open organ pipe, one open organ pipe and closed organ pipe of equal length. They sounded together. One is the closed, one is the open. They have length are equal. They sounded together and producing some beats. When we increase the temperature, beat frequency will increase or decrease. Tell fast. Closed organ pipe and open organ pipe of equal length, they sounded together, okay, they are producing some beats. Now when the temperature increases, then beat frequency will increase or decrease. Beat frequency will increase or decrease. One answer I got, increase, everyone, good. Decrease how? F open minus F close is the beats per second. Okay, F open I can say V by 2L minus V by 4L. That is the beats per second. Okay, so that difference what you got V by 4L, that is the beats per second. on increasing the temperature, what we can say, basically length effect will be same in both. So ultimately after increasing the temperature, if we are considering the thermal expansion also, so length effect will be same. Now what will happen when we have to ignore the thermal expansion also because we cannot measure, so we have to relate with the velocity only because metal will expand less. So velocity increases on increase in temperature. That's why we will find here, or maybe they can give in the problem, ignore the thermal expansion. But if they are not giving, first we will take the velocity effect only. Okay, because metal expand very less on changing the temperature, na? Because alpha is very small. Okay, so velocity will be more, velocity on increasing the temperature, velocity will increase. So that's why beat frequency will increase. Understood or not? Okay, so one or two more problem I will discuss. Suppose I am saying sometimes they will say on filing no beats here means frequency become equal. Okay, frequency of, like suppose I am saying on filing A no beats here, no beats here, it means the frequency of A and frequency of B become equal. Here I am saying the beat frequency remains same. Then earlier 5, now after filing also it is 5. Then I am asking the possible frequency of B. So first what we will do, frequency of B. Possible answer is what? 200 plus minus 5. So either it will be 205 or 195. Okay, 205 or 195. This is a possible answer. Now I am filing A. So on filing A, frequency of A increases. Okay, suppose first I am taking the frequency of B is 195. Suppose I am taking frequency of B 195 and A I am filing, so A become 201, 202, 203 like that. When A is increasing, B is 195. A is increasing, B is 195, so continuously beat frequency will increase. In that case, B is the 195. A I am filing. When I am filing A will increase. It become 201, 202, 203. So when the 201 and 195 sound 6 beats, 202 and 195 sound 7 beats, means in this case beat, if the frequency of B is 195, so when we are filing, beat frequency will increase. That's why 195 cannot be the answer, because they are saying beat frequency remains same. In 205, how it is possible? In 205, it is possible how? If I start filing A, file. Suppose I filed up to the 205. Then they will say no beats here. So in this case, it is possible no beats here. 205, and after filing A become 205. So 205 and 205, no beats here. Okay. But more filing, it become 210. It become 210, then 210 and 205, beat frequency can remain same. So what is the frequency of the B? 205. It is never possible in the case of 195. Understood or not? So in that case, frequency of B will be what I said. One you have to reject, one you have to verify. One you have to reject, 195 got rejected. Why? If the frequency of B 195 and I'm filing A, so beat frequency will continuously increase. It can never be the same. So in 195 got rejected. Now 205, how it can be answered? Because if I file A and A become 210, 210 minus 205, beat frequency is 5. Yeah, in that case, 195 beat frequency will continuously increase. Echo already I discussed. Okay. Echo is what? That is a reflection of sound. Echo is also called reverberation. So suppose any wall or something is there and you are producing the sound, and distance between you and wall is x. Okay, so sound will go, how much distance sound will travel? Sound will travel x, it will hit the wall and sound will get reflect back. Okay, suppose I am saying after producing the sound, after what time you will hear the echo? After what time you will hear the echo? So time of echo we can say sound will go x, it will come back x. So total distance traveled by the sound is what? 2x. And it will travel with the speed of sound. That's why after what time you will hear the echo? 2x by v. Okay. Okay. Sound is not in the form of human. Human is producing the sound, Nalayak. Man is producing the sound. Okay. And one question they ask, suppose you are standing in any room, okay, and you are producing the sound. You are producing the sound. Now room dimension, all the dimension get double. All dimension will get double. Dimension get double. Then they are asking what is the effect on the time of echo or reverberation. So suppose you are standing in the middle of the room, you produce the sound. Sound goes x, reflected by x. So how much distance, total distance sound will travel? 2x. So how much time you will hear the echo? 2x by v. Okay. Now you double all the dimension. When you double all the dimension, now that wall shifted here, roof shifted there. So all the dimension get double. So now the sound will travel how much distance to go to the wall? 2x. How much it will take to come back? 2x. So now in that case, total distance will become 4x. 4x, then time of echo become 4x by v. 4x by v. Now it means what? Reverberation time got double. So when we double all the dimension of the room, then reverberation time will get double. Everybody got or not? Say fast. Okay. So one last question, that is a 3 sources, little bit fast I will go. Next class gravitation I will say, you will get the information, maybe Friday I will take the half an hour gravitation, okay. So 3 sources I am taking, 3 sources of the frequency 200, 202 and 204. They are sounded together. Then I am asking what is the beat frequency. 3 sources, 4 sources, 10 sources, how you will do the problem. So here I gave the 3 sources. What we will do, listen fast because time is less. We will make the pair. We will make the pair 200 and 202 one pair, 202, 200, 202 and 204. One pair is this, one pair is this, and one pair is this. We will take the pair of the two sources. Okay. So 200 and 202. What is the beat frequency? Its beat frequency is its beat frequency is what? Like suppose I'm marking source 1, source 2, source 3. 1 and 2, what is the beat frequency? 2. 2 and 3, what is the beat frequency? 2. 1 and 3, what is the beat frequency? 4. So if I am taking for 1 and 2, beat frequency I am getting 2, beat frequency I am getting 2. So first beat I will get at 1 by 2 and second beat I will get at 1. Beat time interval is the 1 upon beat frequency. So first beat due to the 1 and 2, one beat I will hear at 1 by 2. One beat I will hear at 1 by 2. Second beat I will hear at 1. Okay. Beat frequency for the 1 and 2 is the 2. So first beat I will time interval between the consecutive maxima or minima is the 1 by beat frequency. So first beat I will hear at 1 by 2. Second beat I will hear at 1. What we will do? We will do this same for all the three pair. Which time is common? That time we will not include. Once we will include. Which time is common? We will include that time only once in all the three. Like if I am sounding for 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then what is the beat frequency? 2. Then again you will get that 2 times 1 by 2 and 1. Already 1 by 2 and 1, I am here. 1 by 2, I hear the beat due to the 1 and 2. So what will happen? 3 is also getting the beat. So means the sound will be more louder. So 1 by 2 and 1. I will take one beat at 1 by 2, one beat at 1. Already I have taken 1 by 2, so I will not take from here. Already I have taken 1, I will not take from here. Different time we will take that separately. Same time we will take once only. Okay. And here now again 1 and 3. 1 and 3, beat frequency is the 4. So first beat I will get at 1 by 4, then I will get 2 by 4, then I will get 3 by 4, then I will take 4 by 4. So basically it is what? 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. So I will hear the beats, 4 beats in this interval, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now count the separate time, 1 by 2 and 1. I took, okay, so beats per second. So this is a 1 by 2, I hear the 1 beat and 1 I hear the 1 beat. 1 by 2 already taken, so this I will not take. 1 already taken, this I will not take. Here 1 by 4 extra time, separate time I am getting 1 by 4. 1 by 2 already taken, I will not take. Okay. 3 by 4 has not taken, so I will take 1. So how many beats you will hear per second? 4 beats per second. Everybody getting or not? So more than 3 sources, 2 sources they have given, we will go through this way. I will try the Friday maybe, I will try that, schedule the class half an hour, okay, for the gravitation. Bye bye, my class is there.